Hello friends, today in this video I will show you Windows updating error code is 8007001F-icon 0x4000D. How to fix it? So it is very easy and simple. So first you need to search CMD. Now type troubleshoot settings. Now need to click on additional troubleshoot. Now click on Windows update and click on run the troubleshoot. Now wait some few minutes, this process will be completed. If this process will be completed, so close it and type CMD. Now right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Now type this command line sfc space / scan now. Now press enter. Now wait some few minutes, this process will be completed. If this process will be 100%, so type second command line. I will give in description box, just copy and paste it. And this process will be completed, so close it and restart your computer or PC. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.